Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel Adventures in America. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jocelyn and I'm a dual citizen of the United States and the Philippines. Today we are going to talk about the new IATA travel pass, or other people call it the new digital COVID-19 passport, but it's actually a mobile health app for travelers. I'm going to show you the logo for this travel app. This travel app was developed by the IATA, or International Air Transport Association. This travel pass validates and authenticates all country regulations regarding COVID-19 travel requirements. So what does this travel app do? There are 4 things. First, it creates a digital version of your biometric passport. Number 2, it finds travel, testing, and vaccination requirements of your destination. Number 3, it provides you access to global registry of testing locations upon arrival or departure. Number 4, it provides a digital copy of your verified test results and communicates the information to travel authorities. You can only use this travel app if your airline is participating and if you're invited as a passenger and was sent a code. Also, Philippine Airlines is participating in this travel pass trial, and also there are certain flights on certain dates for the coming May and June flights in Los Angeles and Singapore. Here are the other airlines that are participating for the IATA travel pass. Here are the flights for Philippine Airlines, and you're eligible to join the trial if you're flying from Manila to Los Angeles or Manila to Singapore on these flight dates from May to June. Let's go ahead and go over the step-by-step procedure on how to use this travel app. If you are participating as a passenger, here are the system requirements. First, you needed an iPhone 7 Plus or higher. Number 2, you needed a valid email address. For those of you who have Android phones, the app will be available on May 12 onwards. You can either download the app from the App Store or you can scan the QR code. Once you download the app, you should get a code. Entering the code, you needed to create your digital profile. First, you need to take a selfie and upload the picture to the app. And second, you needed to scan the last 2 lines of your passport. Go ahead and scan the last 2 lines of your passport at the bottom of the page. If you have been vaccinated, you can also upload or scan the vaccination certificate. If you're a passenger of the Philippine Airlines, after downloading the app, you may now enter the code. The code will be given to you within 4 days before departure. After entering the code, sign in and agree to all data, privacy, and terms and conditions of the app. After creating a digital profile, now you can add the flights. And if you're a passenger of Philippine Airlines, you can now add Philippine Airlines and the flight number. After adding the airline and the flight number, it will show you the type of COVID-19 test that you needed to take on your destination. These are the more detailed explanation once you are a passenger of PAL. Proceed to PAL's testing facilities and take your COVID-19 test. Our testing facilities are in partnership with DOH-accredited the Toxicare Molecular Diagnostics Laboratory. The testing facilities are located at PAL Learning Center in Manila and PAL Gate 3 in Pasay City. Please ensure to register via PAL's passenger profile and health declaration form as early as 5 days before departure. Upon entry to our testing facilities, prepare your ID, PAL ticket, QR code, payment confirmation email, and the IATA Travel Pass app. The next step is to wait for your test result. Once you test negative, you will receive a ready-to-fly prompt in your IATA Travel Pass app. If the screen shows red or gray banner, It may mean that you have tested positive or undergone the wrong type of test, or that you have taken the test outside of the allowable time frame required by your destination. Also, please ensure that you have secured the necessary non-health travel requirements for your travel. On the day of your flight, proceed to the check-in counters of the Ninoy Aquino International Airport and present your passport, ticket, and other travel documents, including the IATA Travel Pass app. Now, let's talk about the other information regarding this Travel Pass app. I can set up my digital passport. Can I still complete the trial? Setting up your digital passport is a requirement for you to complete the trial process. Please ensure that you remove your phone and passport cases during the scan. If the NFC scan fails, please try again after 10 minutes. If the scan is successful and the passport is not yet added, it may be due to a mismatch of your passport photo and your profile photo in the app. Please uninstall and reinstall the application to upload a new profile photo. Ensure that glasses and head coverings are removed. Will I be banned from traveling if I am not vaccinated? Governments, not airlines, and not IATA make the rules on entry requirements for travelers. Airlines and passengers need to comply. Governments will also decide if vaccinations will be mandatory or voluntary for their populations. If governments make vaccinations a requirement for travel, airlines will comply and the IATA Travel Pass will help them. As a passenger, do I need to pay for IATA Travel Pass? No, the IATA Travel Pass will be free for passengers to download and use. Let's talk about the privacy information when using this travel app. How do I know that my details are being treated with integrity? You as a traveler, you always remain in control of your data privacy. The IATA Travel Pass does not store any data centrally. It simply links entities that need verification with a test or vaccination data when travelers permit. No verification will go to an airline or a government without your authorization. What happens if you don't have a smartphone? There will actually be a paper-based alternatives for those who don't possess a smartphone. However, in this age, I think everyone is already using a smartphone. Recently traveled in the Philippines. Please post your travel experience and let us know what you think of the travel restrictions. Also, if you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Again, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I always welcome new subscribers. Also, if there are any other videos that you wanted me to post, just send them to the comment section below and I will get back to you or research about it. Again, thank you guys for watching and I hope everyone is staying safe.